Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A Canadian couple won the lottery twice after accidentally buying two tickets for the same draw. Wormholes give us instantaneous travel from one point to the other. Ice Music Festival in Italy is held in an igloo with musical instruments constructed from ice. Scold's bridle was an instrument used to punish or publicly humiliate troublesome women to keep them quiet and stop them from gossiping. The best place for UFO spotting near Area 51 is supposedly by a mailbox. This is Ian Hallow Island, heart-shaped haunted island of Scotland, which you can visit only on one particular day of the year. If anyone tries to visit on odd day, evil spirits make the place disappear. Learning a new language, figure out the 100 most frequently used words at first. These words make about 50% of everyday speech. Lanes in slums of Mumbai are named after the brilliant students of that slums in order to inspire other students to remain at school and study wholeheartedly. A robo-dog has been enlisted by Singapore authorities that politely barks at park visitors to ensure they maintain social distance. Blue and green lights attract mosquitoes twice as much as other colors. Daniel Lambert, who weighed 330 kg and measured 2.8 meters round his body, used to charge his visitors to his house just to look at him. A baby born on a flight from Dubai to the Philippines has been gifted 1 million airline miles, which are worth almost $108,000. 1 in 6 people worldwide, or 17.5% of the global adult population, will experience infertility, a new report published by the World Health Organization revealed this week. In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, scientists say the world's next pandemic could start from a cave like the Planaltina Cave, which stretches more than 1.5 kilometers deep and is home to thousands of bats. In 1949, the Costa Rican government abolished their military, stating their army would be an army of teachers, and began using their defense funds towards free public education. A shocking new study seems to suggest that lab-grown meat, animal cell-based meat, or ACBM, could actually be far worse for the environment than traditional livestock. Scientists have discovered an anxiety gene and a way to turn it off. This could help treat anxiety disorders in the long run, scientists say. A morning poop is healthiest since your body digests the food from the day before while you sleep. Gastroenterologists suggest eating a fibrous breakfast, drinking some coffee, and drinking water to give it a boost. Use of smartphones for more than 3 hours a day causes back pain in teens. A 2015 study compared apple eaters and non-eaters and found that those who ate at least one apple per day were slightly less likely to need a doctor visit or medication. Warming waters are causing a rise in infections with the rare flesh-eating bacteria Vibrio vulnificus, which is moving along the US East Coast. In the movie Titanic, Jack tells Rose about a time he went ice fishing on Lake Wissota in Wisconsin. Lake Wissota was not formed until 1917, 5 years after the Titanic sank. It's too small for a human to pass through, around 10 to the 33rd power of a centimeter. By the time food passes through your intestines, most of the natural pigments in it is digested away. The brown color is due to chain of processes beginning with the breakdown of old red blood cells to produce bilirubin. Wormholes are most definitely just a theory right now. Hidden treasure is found so often in the UK, they have specific laws regarding finds. LED turns on and off at a frequency that is imperceptible to the human eye. Due to this, we see lights as being on until we actually switch them off. Honeybees sleep between 5 to 8 hours a day, and many of them hold each other's leg while doing so. It is based on special solution of Einstein's field equation solved using a Jacobian matrix and determinant. Bubbles occur when a thin film traps some gas. The molecules in the film are attracted to each other, which not only holds the film together but also makes it shrink to the smallest possible area. In 1836, a sewer worker accidentally discovered an old drain which ran directly into the Bank of England's gold vault. He wrote letters to the directors of the bank and requested a meeting inside the vault at an hour of their choosing and popped out of the floor to greet them. Famous figures who had Titanic tickets but never made it on the ship. Inventor of radio. The Governor of New York. Journalist and author. The founder of Hershey's. Yes, JP Morgan himself. Thanks for watching.